This is the fourth in the series of Energy Vortexes at Canyon Ranch. In previous videos, I discussed how to measure energy vortexes, how to find them, and where they are located at Canyon Ranch. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to use energy vortexes specifically to create whatever and anything you desire in your life. Looking at the Serenity Vortex, we can talk about creating better health in your body, bringing materialistic things into your life, and even how, with practice, to change what is going on in other people's lives. So let's get started with how to create anything you desire using the energy coming out of energy vortexes. One of the first steps of an energy vortex is to see if you can feel the energy, because if you can feel the energy, you'll believe in the power a lot more than you will if you can't. However, it's not relevant in terms of creating whatever you desire. And we have a guest who has never been to an energy vortex before. What is your name?
Dana.
And Dana, can you feel the buzz of the vortex?
I feel the feeling of energy moving around, and I feel tingling on my fingers.
I wish to create something. Is there a particular vortex I need to be at?
Well, in theory, you should be at a vortex where it has been scientifically proven that there's an increase in electromagnetic energy and a grounding effect. This Discovery Vortex is one such place where the measurements have been done, and the other is at the Sanctuary Vortex. So what you do is you get behind the Discovery rock, you put your feet on either side of the center stone here, and you're ready to create whatever you desire. Now, the question that the person asked was, do I have to be here? No. In theory, you could do it at any vortex you find, but it must have grounding, got to be in the center. The fact that you're at a vortex means that the electromagnetic energy is higher than normal because you're feeling the buzz of the vortex.
Must one feel the vortex energy to create what one desires?
You do not have to feel the vortex energy in order to create what one desires. You have to be in the vortex that someone else has told you has the properties you need.
Are special ceremonies, dancing, or chants required?
No! One can toss rocks, one can wave their arms, one can do chants, one can do circles. That's not what creates what one desires. It's stating the question properly.
How should one phrase the creation request?
First of all, I have moved to a unnamed vortex potential area. So I'm going to assume, with absolutely no basis whatsoever, that I'm in a grounded situation. So here's how I'm going to say it. Let's say I desire to create an animal to come along within my vision, say in a minute. So here's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say it as if I already have achieved the request. This animal passes near me in the next minute. And then the second sentence is how I will feel about that. I will be utterly amazed if an animal passes by me in the next minute.
What happens next?
Well, next you get the creation. It's been about a minute and no animals have passed by me. Normally, you just wait for it to happen and, whoops, there's an animal. It's within a minute and 58 seconds. I'm at a real vortex. I have created exactly what I desire. Amazing. If you don't specify a time, it will happen at the universe's time. So just wait for it and be patient.
How long does one need to spend in the vortex?
As long as it takes to make the two sentences. The first is what you desired as if you've already received it. And the second is how you're going to feel when you suddenly see, when you achieve your request.
May I ask for multiple creations while in the vortex?
Well, here I've moved to another vortex. This is the pavilion vortex. This has been partially measured in terms of there's really an increase in electromagnetic energy here. No, you may not ask for multiple things. How about starting small and working your way up? Ask for something when it's created, then you can ask for something else and go from there. Don't be piggish.
Can I channel energy for creation when I am not at Canyon Ranch?
Absolutely. One of the skills that you develop as a psychic is the ability to channel energy in your mind. I wouldn't do it here at the Pavilion Vortex, but at the Discovery of the Sanctuary, I will visualize that I'm standing there when I've left Canyon Ranch, and I will create what I desire. And has it worked? Of course it has. Here's a question for you, Leslie. If I can't feel the energy in the vortex today, will I ever be able to feel it with? The short answer is probably not, because skills are skills. You can either feel it or you can't. But so much is unknown about vortexes, perhaps you can feel it after some period of time as you become more sensitized to the energy. So, it's time for you to stop watching the video, go find an energy vortex, and start creating all you desire.